DishaToons, yay, let's play, yay, let's play. A is for apple, red and round. Apples crunch with a happy sound. B is for ball, big and bright. Bounce the ball with all your might. C is for car, driving by. Cars go fast, zoom, zoom high. D is for dog, soft and sweet. Doggy wags and wants a treat. E is for egg, small and white. Eggs cook up just right. F is for frog, jump, jump, hop. Frogs go splash, plop, plop, plop. G is for goat, eating hay. Goat says moo all day. H is for house, big and tall. Home is cozy for one and all. I is for ice, cold and slick. Ice goes crack and click, click, click. J is for juice, yummy and sweet. Juice tastes good, sip and repeat. K is for kite, up so high. Kites dance across the sky. L is for lion, strong and loud. Lion roars, big and proud. M is for milk, white and cold. Milk helps kids grow big and bold. N is for nest, in a tree. Nest is home for birds and me. O is for orange, round and bright. Oranges taste just right. P is for pizza, cheesy fun. Pizza time, yum for everyone. Q is for quilt, soft and warm. Quilts keep us safe from the storm. R is for rain, drip drop sound. Rain falls gently all around. S is for sun, shining bright. Sun makes daytime warm and light. T is for truck, big and strong. Trucks roll by all day long. U is for umbrella, open wide. Umbrella keeps rain outside. V is for van, driving slow. Vans take kids where they go. W is for whale, big and